Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can create Maleficent's face on Dress to Impress. So tune in for this video. First, the lips, I'm going to be using this one in red. Then we'll be using this one, where is it? The like heart-shaped face. And I'm just going to color it using this. For the eyes, we're just going to be using an eyeshadow. I'm going to be using this one. Wait, I'm trying to like find it. This one in yellow. Oh, I didn't save it. Kind of not that yellow. I'm just going to use this one. It's fine. Then I'm going to use trying to find the eyeshadow. Oh, I might use this one, I think. Why am I forgetting what I used? Oh, this one, sorry. And I'm going to color it this green. Then I'm going to use this for the nose, this one, in a darker green. Well, a little bit lighter than that, sorry, actually. And then I will be using, not this one, sorry. I'll be using this one in black. And then for the brows, I'm just going to use this one in black. Just find the like very arched brows, I guess. But that is it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.